It's a travel day today and we'll be taking a local bus to Mirissa. We're Trisha and Nikhil and we're out to travel to 100 countries, and this journey has brought us to our 4th country, Sri Lanka. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel to follow our journey. We've spent over 10 days touring through this country and we're finally ready to leave the mountains and head towards the sea. This travel day came with many struggles, as you'll see, but in the end it was all worth it.
Breakfast.
Good morning, guys. So yesterday it was Sinhala and Tamil New Year, and for that reason the family made a lot of delicacies, and yeah, we get to try those. It looks so amazing. I am just
These are all traditional sweets, and that's milk rice with, I guess this is a spicy chutney or something. We get a lot of fruits. We've got pineapple juice today.
and just look at how our juice glass has been decorated.
Things are getting better and better every day.
They are just extremely sweet. So yeah, it's a fun breakfast today.
It's a happy start.
Yes.
We got an alarm, 7:30 a.m.
Alright, let's dig in since we have to catch a 8:40 bus today.
We're finally on our way. We're gonna try to catch the bus, although it's just 10 minutes left for the time. But we're gonna still try nevertheless. Surprised that the dog is not barking. Yeah, it's barking. Alright, let's go. You think we'll be able to make it?
Maybe. We tried.
Yeah. Yes, it's 8:40 for an 8:45 bus.
Yeah.
This was such an amazing place, such an amazing stay, and such good food right before we left the place. So
It was amazing every day, but today was extra special.
yeah. It's around 9 o'clock almost, and we've been waiting here at the bus station, but the only issue is that one bus conductor that came here, he said that there is no direct bus today, so but we're still waiting till 9:20 for the next bus. Maybe that will come, so otherwise we'll have to figure out another way to go from here. But the good thing is that he's here to drop us, giving us his time. Otherwise we would have been a bit clueless, right?
Yeah. Clueless and stuck.
Clueless and stuff. But we feel a little confident right now. So let's see what will happen.
9:30 and we're still waiting at the bus stop. What are we going to do? I don't know.
Why are buses not showing up? We saw on internet they were supposed to show up.
So we are waiting for just one more bus that goes at 9:40 to Gaul directly, and we can get down either at Mirissa or we can just head to Gaul. So that's the last bus that we are putting our hopes in. Otherwise we're gonna move to some other solution.
It's 9:38 and there was a bus that came like just 2 minutes ago, and the conductor said that there is a bus to Matru that is coming, that's just like coming the next 2 minutes. So we're really hoping to catch it. But another issue is that the buses that we've seen up until right now, they're like packed with people, and we have these babies with us. So let's see if they are able to accommodate us, or we'll have to find another option.
We have gotten on the Gaul bus, although we did not get a seat, but our bags are safely put in the back trunk.
Yeah.
So we're happy about that.
And I think since it's a local bus, so like
Shouldn't
it's
cost
stopped-
too much.
That's okay. Costing is one thing, right?
Yeah.
But we'll also get like a seat in next 1 or 2 stations.
Yeah.
So we're so happy we've gotten a bus because this is gonna take much lesser time than
The train would have.
yeah.
Yeah, because there are no direct trains. We would have had to go to Colombo and then take a different train from there.
But right now we are with our stuff and
Thanks to Trisha, we did not lose hope, and we're on our way. I don't know what this journey is going to be like, but at least we're on our way.
it's gonna be a good journey, don't worry. It's almost been 2 stations and like I expected.
It hasn't happened. Like we still haven't gotten the seat.
It hasn't happened.
It hasn't eased up. It's still stuffed the entire area.
No, I get back support now.
Yeah, that's much better, right? It's 1 hour since we've been standing and traveling, and the status hasn't changed much. Although we have a little more space to stand, but we're still standing.
This is the first bus in that we've taken in our entire life that is this occupied.
Yeah, and they're still taking more people on.
Yeah,
I don't
they
know how.
wouldn't stop.
Like there was a point when everyone was standing literally on everyone else's foot, and
And some people like us who are little considerate, we were literally on our toes, like.
yeah, and they were still taking more people on. So, and this is just the first hour of the journey. I don't know how the rest of it is gonna be.
And this is the first local bus experience that we've had with our luggage in Sri Lanka. So I got a seat, but it's the same for Nikhil right now. And I'm hoping that he'll also get a seat really soon. So yeah, but 1 hour and some minutes, a few minutes, and I get a seat. And amazing music playing, by the way. Are you feeling tired, babe? Are you feeling tired?
I'm good. It was bad when we were in the mountains and it was all these kind of roads, but right now it's plains and it's not so bad right now. After 1 more hour, we decided to change the places so that I can sit for like half an hour. Then we're gonna do that again.
Or hopefully we're gonna find a seat by then. And I'm back. And we just reached the beach from mountains. Now we can see the beaches and it makes me so happy.
Finally, after 6 hours, we're about to reach Mirissa. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
So while we were looking out for where to stay, it got super hot because it's 3 p.m. and it's insane how hot it is right now. So while we were looking around, Trisha had to use the washroom. We started feeling really hungry because we haven't had anything since 7 a.m. So we saw this place, Milky Wave, and we sat down to have small snacks because this place is super expensive. But I still want to try everything that I can before we find a place and we can actually put our stuff here with all our stuff literally. So in any case, Tisha has gone to get an ice cream for herself. That's where she is. And I've just placed an order for me. I'm having a cold coffee and bruschetta.
I got a gelato.
Doesn't feel like we're in Sri Lanka, right? It feels like we're in Italy right now.
Yeah, with this, looking at this restaurant, actually the menu is completely Italian. We honestly did not understand a lot of things and
It was super expensive.
it was super expensive. But this is amazing. I'm so happy. And I think we really deserved it after standing for such a long time in the bus. This feels so nice. So we're done with the most amazing ice cream that I've had. It was just super nice, and Nikhil had his coffee and a bruschetta, so everything was really nice and totally worth it, since we got a breath of fresh air and also some food. Now we'll continue our search for the hotels, because we haven't booked anything over here since we weren't sure if we'll be able to reach here on time or not. But since we're here, and we're here at a perfect time, so let's go.
So we're in the tuk-tuk. Our luggage is on top of this thing here, and
I think we'll be cruising around Mirissa first to see if we find something nice here. Originally our bus ticket was still Veligama, but we thought to just stop in Mirissa and stay here.
yeah, just check it out first. If we like here, we'll stay for more days over here. If not, then we'll move to Veligama or perhaps further ahead.
So that's what we thought initially, but now
It's on the beach.
we're not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've seen 3 places in the tuk-tuk, and otherwise we've seen 4 in total. The price range is medium, and there are a couple of places that we've liked till now, but it's just that some things are a little over budget, some things are
Not the best.
not the best. So yeah, we're just looking at a couple of more properties,
And we're
and that
back
will
to-
lead to our final place.
Yeah, and we're back to where we started.
And we're actually back to where we started. So even though we were getting like a lot of beautiful properties here at a very affordable cost, me and Nikhil, we really wanted to stay at beach, and we were looking for something like that. And though this one is a little off budget, like it's in budget, but a little tad bit off budget, because on what we decided, so that we are able to, you know, maintain a good ratio throughout. But both of our hearts actually was stuck on this. So yeah, this is the property. It's called the Sunset Beach, and the best part about the property is that it's literally right at the beach. Like just a few steps from here, and we are at the beach. How beautiful is that? It's just something that we completely love, like so much. It's just beautiful. But for right now, we'll go check into a room, and I will give you a quick room tour. Let's go. It's on the 3rd floor though. So this is our room here in Mirissa. We have literally looked for this room for 2 hours at least, and then finally we came. We booked this. Anyhow, I think this is a very cute room. Though the room looks a little simple and not the best. There are a lot of issues. There are a lot of little issues in the room, but I can like unsee all of those issues because of the amazing view that this place has. But to start with, let me just quickly tell you what all we have. We have a table, we have this almirah with hangers and everything, and we have an AC. Mirissa is really hot, so it's very important for us to have the AC. We also have a mini fridge, which is great because it's, like I said, it's really hot over here. We have a few places to dry our clothes, etc. at, and this is the washroom. Again, it's not the best. We like the one that was there in their deluxe room, That was really good, but that was a little too much out of budget, and they were not really ready to negotiate since it's a weekend going on. The bed looks really comfortable, and I love the lampshades on both the sides. But nothing can beat this. I am so in love with this. Like, right across our room, right in front of it, we have a big coconut tree and this view. I just love this.
We really hope you like this video and our Sri Lanka series so far. We're coming to an end to this journey and we'll be moving to our country number 5 really soon. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to travel the world with us. We'll see you next time.
And we just reached.
Good.